seen a cat and a dog play tug of war. You're so cute, buddy. Oh my God, you're both adorable. Sadie's jealous. Back off. You're ruining the shot. Move. How adorable. I just had to share with everybody, girl. Oh, look at the bats coming out of the chimney. Oh, he's leaving you. You're such a sweet boy. And you're a sweet, beautiful girl. Look at your muscles. Good girl. There's Sasha, of course. You can tell Mom's not home, right? What is going on now? Oh, Halloween decoration. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, Stewie. Little kitty baby. Sade's got jealous. Ooh. We're getting closer and closer to the camera. No one wants to see the hairy knee. Who's out there? Watch him. Your little shake you do is so funny. Are you becoming a big boy? Whoa. Good boy. Sadie, get that toy. Get that toy. Oh my gosh. Good job, Leo. Good job, buddy. Sasha wants to get involved. You gonna get involved? Better watch out if she gets in. Who's out there, Sasha? You old crank. You old cranky girl. Back to the action. Oh, Sadie girl. She's pulling rank a little bit there, huh? You guys are too close. Good job, Leo. Get that Sadie girl. Get that boy. Whoa. You're crazy, dude. Oh, he's slipped in. Okay. Aw. That big boy is submitting to you. He's a good boy, isn't he? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Okay. Jeez. Drag him along and thump his head. Get in there, Sasha. Get him, Sasha. Get him. Get him, Sasha. Get that boy. Good girl. You show him. You get that boy. I love that kitten. So glad we found him in the middle of the road. Poor little guy. You're getting vocal in your older age, Sadie. Sadie, get out of there. All right, this video's over. If due to inappropriate activity. Uh-oh, maybe it isn't. Still. Basically, this is like a daycare, right? You guys drop your kids off here so I can watch them. Uh-oh, Cave Dad's in the video. What you looking at, buddy? All right. Gonna say it right now. No more animals. You guys ready? Okay? Oh, there's some cranes outside. Let's go. We gotta pet birds. Here you go, birds. Come here, guys. Come here. I don't know why I think that's a bird call. Come here. Yeah, come get it. I'm probably not supposed to feed you birds either, or bread either, huh? Come here. I'm losing you, aren't I? Well, you can still come here. Look, check this out. Check this out. Go ahead and try it. It's okay. Try the bread. Why do we humans think that is the universal word to all animals? I'm not supposed to feed you. I'm probably not supposed to feed you bread. Well, come here. You're gone? You're leaving? I gave you my piece of bread. Here. Here, guys. Let's see if I can mess with them again. I got some strawberries this time. There I go again with my universal animal language. You guys want strawberries? My throws could be better. You guys don't want strawberries, huh? Try it. I just want to make friends. I just want to make friends. Nope, not interested. Oh, he picked it up. He's tasting it. All right, so you don't like strawberries either. Oh, come on, I'm 12 feet away. I want to be closer. It's not happening. Oh, you guys like my trail? Glad I mowed it for you. See you later. I'll leave you be.